Have you ever thought you made a bad decision? Or do you struggle to make decisions at all? It might seem simple, but the decisions we make shape our lives, our careers, and ultimately our leadership journey. Today I'm going to share 5 tips to help you become a better decision maker. Whether you're deciding which job offer to accept, which project to pursue, or how to handle a challenging situation, the decisions that you make matter. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Brian Brew, and I have over 30 years of leadership experience, including executive roles at some of the most admired and innovative companies in the world. Every day, leaders make decisions that sometimes seem small but can have a ripple effect for years to come. Think about it. Where you are in your career right now is the result of a series of decisions you've made or didn't make, big and small. Making effective decisions is about more than just choosing between options. It's about understanding the potential outcomes, aligning those decisions with your values, and setting yourself up for future success. As an aspiring leader, honing your decision-making skills is crucial to building trust, credibility, and your overall effectiveness. Where do you start? First, clarify your goals. Before making any decision, spend some time reflecting on what you genuinely want to achieve. Ask yourself, what are my long-term career goals? What aligns with my values and passions? What do I want my life to look like in 5 or 10 years? When your goals are clear, decision-making becomes more fluid. You're better equipped to evaluate your options and choose paths that align with your vision for your life and your career. Next, gather information. Effective decision-making is often rooted in data. Take the time to research the circumstances impacting your decision. This could involve gathering input from trusted colleagues, reading relevant articles, or analyzing market trends. Remember, good leaders make informed decisions rooted in accurate information. And don't shy away from seeking diverse perspectives. They can offer insights you may not have considered. It's important not to skip this step when you're in situations where there's perception that a decision needs to be made immediately. Take a step back, a few deep breaths, and gather what information you can in the time available. Step number 3, weigh the pros and cons. Once you've clarified your goals and gathered information, create a simple list of pros and cons for each option. This visual representation can help clarify your thoughts and make the consequences of each choice more tangible. Ask yourself, what are the potential benefits of this decision? What are the risks or downsides? Visualizing these factors can lead you closer to the best choice. What's your preferred way to visualize pros and cons? Share below in the comments so we can all learn together. Number 4, consider long-term impacts. It's easy to get bogged down in immediate gains, but as an inspiring leader, it's crucial to think about how your decision will affect your future. As Stephen Covey put it so long ago, begin with the end in mind. Consider asking yourself and people you trust, how will this decision affect my career trajectory in a year? Will it help or hinder my relationships with colleagues or stakeholders? Could there be negative impacts on my personal values? By considering long-term effects, you can avoid the trap of making decisions that may seem beneficial in the short term, but could be detrimental later on. Finally, trust your instincts. After gathering all the data and listening to the pros and cons, it's time to make a decision. This is where intuition plays a crucial role. You're not just a robot processing data, you're a human being with empathy and intuition. Listen to your gut feelings and instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to step back and reevaluate. To wrap up, decision-making is a fundamental skill for aspiring leaders. By clarifying your goals, gathering information, weighing the pros and cons, considering the long-term impacts, and trusting your instincts, you can enhance your decision-making abilities significantly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on leadership. Until next time, focus on your values, and remember, you are a gift to others.